Hey, I'm back, had a day off, coming with a video today, Saturday, Sunday, and back to the usual 2 per day on Monday. Okay, so quick recap on yesterday. As you'll know, Russia invaded Ukraine. A lot can be said about this, but I think in summary, it's just very, very sad. But like in all things in life, we must focus on the things we can change. Stock price crash. So, as an investor in the stock market and Tesla in particular, I was expecting a crazy drop in Tesla's stock price, like 20%. As I was, to be honest, potentially expecting the margin requirements in my brokerage account to go up. And thus, I was expecting to get margin called, to be completely honest. Neither of these things happened. Tesla is down over 12% in the last week. And yesterday, it did crash to 700 per share, but it rebounded amazingly well. It's kind of amazing and a testament to how bullish investors are about Tesla. What did I do yesterday? I took the day off, to be honest. I went out to some beautiful places here in Tuscany and tried to detach. Before leaving, I put in some orders to make sure my accounts didn't get absolutely destroyed. First, I moved $30,000 of margin from one brokerage account to another. This is because I have one brokerage account that just has way too much leverage, like over 50%. I also sold 55 shares in Tesla, which I will be replacing with 100 shares using call options, $1,000 strike price for January 2024. So the new structure will be 700 shares and 400 call options. Once exercised, that obviously means I'll have 1,100 shares in Tesla. But as you'll notice, my focus is always on the total number of shares, and this is because I am thinking about these shares being valued at $30,000 per share in 2030. Who cares about the price, the options, the margin I have? It's all a bloody rounding error by that point. So if you don't understand margin or options, don't worry. The next few videos, Saturday and Sunday, are exactly about these two subjects. Giving you the straight facts, the value, no BS, no fluff. Change nothing. Moving funds between accounts takes absolutely forever. I don't think I'll have the 30,000 in the other account until like the 3rd of March. And I'm sure by then the price of the options I want to buy would have rocketed up. So this is likely all a bad move on my part. Every single time I move funds between accounts, the same thing happens. I remember I did this back in late 2020, early 2021, when I was migrating from trading 212 to interactive brokers. Those moves, I think, cost me, I don't know the exact number, but I think it's around $20,000. It was so painful because the price was just moving as I was moving funds and I couldn't purchase the stock at the same time. It was so painful. Anyway, nothing beats just dollar cost averaging and never selling. Okay, so wrapping up. The company and the stock price are two different things. These are the times where your investments can actually make you rich, when the market is in peak fear. In times like this, the most important thing to do is to protect yourself, obviously from things like margin calls, but still take advantage of this opportunity to buy at a low price. If you have many positions in the market, I think the best thing to do is to consolidate these positions in where you believe they'll grow the most. Cough, cough, Tesla, hint, hint. But if you don't have any margin, then I would be liquidating every asset I have to buy the stock at the current price. It's going to be laughable in a few years. You'll kick yourself for not investing more. If the price keeps dropping, I'll also be moving some of my stock into more options because it reduces my current margin but gives me more shares in the end, which I think is all that matters. In Jan 2024, the stock is likely to be in excess of 3,000 to 4,000 per share, so it feels like the bargain of the century, to be honest. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.